Let's learn to read the clock. Hello, little time adventurers! Today, we're going to discover how to read the clock together. Do you see this clock? It's a magic clock because it helps us understand when it's time to play, eat, and even sleep. Let's get started. That's right. We need the numbers to tell time. Let's put them back together. Look, this is the number 12. It goes right here at the top. Next, we have number 1, which goes here. And then we have 2, 3. Can you help me count as we add them? Great job! Now our clock has all of its numbers. But look, the shapes around each number make it even more fun. Let's make it colorful. First, look at these 2 hands. Do you see them? The small one is the hour hand. And this long one is the minute hand. Together, they tell us what time it is. Right now, the short hand is pointing to 7, and the long hand is pointing to 12. This means it's 7 o'clock. What could we do at 7 o'clock? That's right, wake up and have breakfast. What do you like to eat at this time? Now the long hand has moved to number 6. When this happens, we say 30 minutes have passed. So if it was 7 before, now it's 7:30. This is the perfect time to brush your teeth or get ready for school. Do you see all the numbers around the clock? Each one stands for 5 minutes. Let's count them together. 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on until we reach 60. If the long hand is at number 1, it's 7:05. If it's at number 2, it's 7:10. And if we move it to number 3, it's 7:15. And what happens when the short hand points to 12 and the long hand also points to 12? It's 12 o'clock. That means it's lunchtime. What is your favorite food to eat? And if the short hand points to 4 and the long hand to 12, it's 4 o'clock. That means it's time to play. What do you like to play at this time? And when the clock shows 8 o'clock, it's time to get ready for bed. Remember, Reading the clock helps you make the most of every moment of the day. Wow, you have done an amazing job learning how to read the clock. Now, let's see how much you have learned with a quick and fun quiz. Don't worry, it's just for fun, and you will do great. Ready? Let's start our time-telling adventure quiz. Question 1. The hour hand is pointing at 3, and the minute hand is pointing at 12. What time is it? 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, or 3:30? The answer is 3 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 7, and the minute hand is pointing at the 6. What time is it? 7 o'clock, 7:30, 7:05. The answer is 7:30. If the hour hand is pointing at 8 and the minute hand is pointing at 3, what time is it? 8:15, 8:05, 8 o'clock. The answer is 8:15. See you on our next time adventure. Goodbye, little adventurers!